Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is the 2018 GMC Yukon SLT 4-wheel drive, stock number X213XX. 22,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Iridium metallic in color. You receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and our exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. This Yukon seats 8, leather interior, DVD player, rear heat and air controls, outboard middle row seats are also heated. Push of a button on the inside of the door, seats will fold flat for additional cargo space. Push again, it will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row. Lots of advanced safety features, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience, 60/40 split rear seat, folds flat easily with the push of a button. You can also raise it back up. You can also fold flat as well as tumble the second row from the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Put you in that perfect driving position. Moonroof. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Push button start. To read gauges. That's where you set the forward collision alert. Cruise control. Heated leather wrapped steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep it comfortable no matter what time of year. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Yukon has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information on this Yukon, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.